Hello, everyone. If you're looking to sell digital products on Etsy, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to give you some tips to help you succeed on this platform. First, to create an account on Etsy, go to the site and follow the instructions to create your profile and store. Be sure to fill out all the important information about your business and the products you will be selling. It's also important to set up a marketing strategy for your store, using relevant keywords to help customers find your products more easily. Next, it's important to organize your store on Etsy. To do this, you should use relevant categories and tags to categorize your products and help customers easily find what they're looking for. When it comes to the digital product niche, you should look for a specific niche that meets the needs of your target audience. For example, you can sell resume templates, bullet journal templates, or wedding planning files. Make sure you create high-quality products to meet the needs of your audience. Finally, to avoid suspension of your Etsy account, you must follow the platform's rules. Make sure you provide accurate and honest descriptions of your products, respond quickly to customer questions, and meet delivery deadlines. Also avoid fraudulent behavior, such as falsifying information about your products or manipulating product reviews. That's it for our tips on how to succeed on Etsy by selling digital products. We hope you find these tips helpful in creating a successful store on the platform. If the video content helps you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on like and leave a comment. Thank you.